Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Aulia Cynthia. My number is 2312300083. Okay, here I will explain the learning method. The first one is project-based learning. What is project-based learning or PGBL? Nah, project-based learning is a learning method in which students learn by working on meaningful and relevant real-world projects. In PGBL, students do not just visibly receive material, but actively search, research, and solve problems through the projects they create. So, the main feature of PGBL is that we work on tasks that are complex and relevant to the real world. In addition, this learning method encourages us to work together in group, discuss and exchange ideas so that the project can be completed successfully. The advantage of PGBL is that in addition to gaining academic knowledge, we also learn various important skills such as communication, critical thinking, and time management. The result of this learning are tangible products that we can show, such as presentations, reports, or other creative works. So, for the second, there is discovery learning. Discovery learning is an approach to learning in which students actively discover new concepts, principles, or knowledge with the guidance of a teacher. In this method, students are not only given information directly, but they are encouraged to explore, ask questions, try things out, and find out for themselves through their learning experiences. There are several main characteristics of discovery learning, namely, first, this learning method is very active because we are directly involved in the learning process through exploration and discovery. So, second, the teacher acts as a facilitator or guide who helps and gives instructions rather than being the main source of information. So, third, students discover concepts or principles through structured activities. And the last, this method encourages our curiosity and motivation to learn. And finally, discovery learning trains us to think critically, analyze, and solve problems. This method has many benefits, such as helping us understand the material more deeply because we experience the process of discovering the concept ourselves. In addition, discovery learning also enhances our creativity and critical thinking skills. In this way, we are trained to become independent and active learners, and it builds our confidence because we have successfully found the solution ourselves. So, the third, there is collaborative learning. Collaborative learning is a learning method in which students learn together in small groups to achieve the same learning objective. In this method, students discuss, share ideas, and work together to complete tasks or solve problems. There are several main characteristics of collaborative learning. Namely, first, we learn in small groups and help each other. Second, there is active interactions and discussion among group members to exchange opinion and information. Third, each group's member has a shared responsibility for the group's learning process and outcomes. Fourth, we share ideas and resources so that learning goals can be achieved together. And finally, this method helps us develop social skills such as communication, cooperation, and empathy. The benefit of collaborative learning include improving our understanding, thought discussion, and the exchange of ideas, building social skills and cooperations, which are very important. So helping us learn actively and responsibly, fostering mutual respect and tolerance among group members. So the last, there is communicative learning. Communicative learning is a learning approach that emphasizes the use of language as the primary tool for communication and interactions. The main objective of this method is for students to be able to use language effectively in real contexts rather than just memorizing rules or vocabulary in theory. Some of the main characteristics of communicative learning are: first, this learning method focuses on communication so that we can communicate fluently and effectively. Second, the language we use in learning is the language used in real situations, such as discussing, asking for information, or expressing opinions. Third, we are encouraged to actively interact with friends, top dialogue, or groups activities. Fourth, this method develops comprehensive language skills, including speaking, listening, reading, and writing. And finally, learning is made fun and relevant to our daily lives. So the benefit of communicative learning include helping us become more confident in communicating, improving language skills naturally and practically, so training comprehensive language skills, both spoken and written. And the last, there is encouraging us to actively use language in real life situations. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you and goodbye.